So here's Illusion AI app. So let's just give it a try. So let's just download it, double click to install it. And here it is, image, dream, and creativity. Illusion AI is the ultimate AI-powered artwork creation app. Simply type in a text prompt and watch our advanced image generation model create unique, high-quality images for you in seconds. Key features: intuitive text-to-image capabilities, describe anything you can imagine and instantly produce related imagery. Customizable image generation, control image style, sizes, backgrounds, fun and magical experience, constantly improving. So yeah, that's the app, Illusion AI. Turn your words into art, everything you want. So let's just open it up. So yeah, there are a bunch of apps in these categories, but this is just one of those. And recently, it's just appeared in the charts. So yeah, here you can see, if you want to upgrade, that's $15 per month. A bit cheaper than official ChatGPT Plus, but anyways. And then here's just some instruction how you can do this. And then yeah, here you can just select styles, add your prompts, and then you can just draw it. So yeah, then you can just claim some tokens. So okay, so then if you enable notifications, so that's how this app kind of wants to to draw and engage with you. But yeah, then basically you have all these images. So yeah, that's the app. I don't know if they're just generating all this like anime kind of images, but yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just have all the other prompts. Then you just have all kind of feed, like people generating different images. I don't know if this is the app for only sexy girls and guys. Maybe that's why it's in the top charts, to be honest, but I have no idea. So just showing you the app, and then here you also have your wallet, and then you just have the account. So yeah, I didn't even create an account, as you can see. So everything is kind of here. So yeah, that's the app.